Good morning, everyone. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Yesterday, as you all know, that we have learned how to measure the angles. First of all, now I'm going to again repeat those who have some difficulty, those who not understood in yesterday's class. Please look here, pay attention here, how to measure the angles. Sometimes the angle is like this. Sometimes the angle is like this. Sometimes the angle is like this. So these different angles, how you will measure them, that's which degree it is. So by observation, by looking at them only, we can, by visualization, we can identify them that these are which angle. If I ask, if I ask before measurement, if I ask which angle is this, which type of angle is
Acute
this?
angle.
Yes, very good. By observation, it is clear that this is acute angle. And by observation, it is clear if it is an acute angle, then it will be less than 90 degree. This should be clear in your mind. Without taking the proper protractor in your hand, two things should be clear in your mind by looking, by visualizing the angle. Twisha, please don't write anything in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written acute.
Something, another language it is coming. So by visualizing the angle, you should know, you should identify that which type of angle it is. If I look at this angle, I can visualize that this is acute angle. And if you know the properties of the angle, you should know the acute angle is less than 90 degree, right? So in your protractor, you should keep in mind that it should come less than 90 degree. To this angle, you cannot say that this is 150 degree or this is 100 degree or this is 120 degree. No, because this is less than 90 degree, and your measurement will also come less than 90 degree. Dhyan Chillai, I was checking your worksheet. You please do your worksheet again. Your all measurements are wrong, so please pay attention here in the class. Now, out of these two rays, you know these are two rays, two arms, and this is the vertex. So I name it as O, A, O, B, and you know that these two are arms. Out of these two arms, you can take at one arm as a baseline, any one arm, either this or this as a baseline. When you take it as a baseline, if I take this OB as a baseline, so I keep my protractor here, the center of the protractor I will keep on the vertex, and I hide this line. This is the line you see in your protractor also. This should be coming on overlap on this baseline. If now I'm taking this as a baseline, I want to see where the arrow is and where the zero is. And zero is here, inner scale or the outer scale. When I take like this, the zero is at the inner scale or the outer scale. If I have taken
Inner scale.
inner scale. So now only I have to see the inner scale. I don't have to see the outer scale because my baseline is here, and if my baseline is this, so my zero is at the inner scale. I always measure the angle from the baseline and see the zero, and zero is at the inner scale. So now I want to see where my next ray is going to the inner scale. It's on 0, 10, 20. So which degree it is? How much degree it is now? It is on 20. Yes, it is 20 degree. Got it? Same here. Same here. This is the another angle. There are two rays. Out of these two rays, either you can take this also the baseline or this also the baseline. Okay. Now, suppose if we take this as a baseline. Now I want to keep this center on my vertex here, and I want to hide my line here under this line, and now see where the zero is. Zero is at the inner scale. So if zero is at the inner scale, now I want to see where my next line is going. It's check here. If my zero is here at the inner scale, and now I want to see only the inner scale, not the outer scale. If I am seeing the inner scale, now I want to see where my next ray is going. The next ray is going at around 130 degree. So this angle is 130 degree. Got it? Now you children also do one thing. You
Really,
please.
ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, my worksheet is right. This worksheet 2.
Yes, I need to check and I will revert you, Rahil. But when I was roughly checking, it was little bit right. Okay, but I will completely check and revert you back. Yes,
And
Samriddhi.
ma'am, mine.
Yes. I am not answering right now to any child because I have not checked. I will check and revert you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have like this shape.
Uh,
So how we'll measure it?
like like this. This is the angle.
No, like this.
What? It is not visible completely to me, Samriddhi. Wait a minute. I'll pin you. No, it is not visible. You need to make a complete angle. Any any angle you can measure by taking any side, any ray as a baseline. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
I can't understand the ABCD method.
What ABCD method?
Ma'am, means in the yesterday's worksheet you have written something ABCD in the.
They are asking what is the angle. Measure the angle. And I told always this vertex will come in the center. If I want to measure this angle and name it as angle, this is the sign of an angle. And I name it as angle AOB. AOB. O always come in the center because it's a vertex. Either you can name it as AOB or either you can name it as BOA. Both the ways are correct, but always remember the vertex. When naming the angles, vertex always come in the center.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we measure it, so we have to take 0 to 0, 10, 20, 30 like this.
Yes, yes.
We have to measure that.
Yes, you have to always see. You have, wait a minute. You have to always see, Samriddhi, where if your baseline is this and where is your zero? Is your zero towards the inner scale or towards the outer scale? वहां से आपको 10, 20 काउंट करके एंड नेक्स्ट रे तक देखना है कि नेक्स्ट रे आपकी कहाँ पे टच हो रही है.
Okay.
You also, please, children, draw some angles, any two angles by your choice with the scale and pencil. Please take out your notebook. One child was saying any doubt. Which child?
Yes.
Yes, please.
We take only one angle with only one perpendicular. Can we measure it? Degree?
It's your voice is not coming clear. Can you write it in the chat box?
Yeah.
See, look here, everyone. Draw any two angles and show me fast. Any two angles with pencil and scale, not with the protractor. Not using the protractor. Use pencil and scale.
Ma'am, in the notebook.
Yes, in the notebook. In notebook, write today's date, write, measure the angles, heading, not this heading, yesterday's heading. How to measure the angles. And draw any two angles. If I am taking my scale and my pencil or a marker, I am going to draw two angles like this. One is like this. I name it as, and please put an arrow here because these are rays. Rays are having arrows because this can be extended to any length. So put the arrows. This is my angle. Now I name them LMN. And now one more angle I want to draw. DEF. And always remember in 90 degree, we not make the angle circle way. When we bench these two, it will come in a square way, this way. Always remember, when you make a 90 degree angle, you will not make like this shape. Because when you match these two rays together, so this sign will come in 90 degree. So by looking at this angle, I am very much clear that it should be greater than what and it should be what. Now, Lakshya will tell me. Lakshya, by looking at this angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name the type of the angle? Which type of angle is this?
This is obtuse angle.
Very good. What is the spelling of obtuse angle? Obtuse, O-B.
obtuse.
Angle. Yes, by looking at this angle, he is very much clear that this should be obtuse angle. Dhyan Dalal, what do you mean by the obtuse angle?
Obtuse angle means 90 like 100 degree
So say
One-
greater than 90 degree.
greater than 90 degree.
Twisha, I don't know what is the problem in your laptop or something. Whenever you are typing something, it is coming in some other language.
Ma'am, I have written obtuse and the spelling is correct.
Can anyone? No, it is not coming in the proper spelling. There I will read.
No,
yours.
ma'am, it's Arabic or any.
Yeah, it's coming in Arabic language. So you please check your laptop language.
Yes, ma'am.
So there I will read yours. You have posted, so I will read it. So by looking at this, we know that it's obtuse. Please pay attention here. By looking at this, we know that it's an obtuse angle, and obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay? Always remember that obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So this is, we can say that greater than 90 degree. So this information we have get by looking at this. Now the turn comes, the third step is we need to measure this angle. Actually, what is the measurement of this angle? So how I will measure it? I can take either this line as a baseline or this line as a baseline. If I take this as a baseline, it's my choice. So if I'm taking this ray as a baseline, I will keep this center on the vertex. And now I want to see where the 0 is. 0 is at the inner scale. If 0 is at the inner scale, so I only will see the inner numbers. And I want to see where my second ray is going. My second ray is going at 130 degree. So my angle is 130 degree. Please, I want to pin this. Khemna has done. Khemna, you are trying to show me. Please show me. Put it up.
Ma'am, can you spell the spelling of angle again?
Angle is A-N-G-L. Anya Mittal, please mute your mic and turn on your camera. Anushka. A-N-G-L is the angle. Now, in this also, if I take this as a baseline, I have to keep the vertex, the center of my protector on the vertex. And now here also, my ray is going here. This is the baseline. This is, and this here, from here, 0 is start from here. And it's at the inner scale. And now I want to see where my second ray is going. My second ray is going at the 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So this is called right angle. By looking at this angle, I can say that it's a right angle, and right angle is a 90 degree angle. But I want to measure it, that whether I am right or wrong. So I measure it with the protector also. Rahel, you are sitting. Arna Agarwal, you are just sitting. And that at the end you say, ma'am, sorry, I have not understood. So then also I will also say sorry because you are not doing along with me.
Ma'am,
Jahan Agarwal, Nishika, Vivan Balchandani, Mohit, Khush,
Ma'am, make the whole diagram which you've done in board.
you have done, show me. Please do 2 angles, measure them. Very good.
ma'am,
Have you measured that with the protector, Anna?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also measure. Can I show you?
Wait. Yes, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, I'm asking that you can see my book.
Just a minute. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Yeah, now show me.
Can you see?
Let me pin on you. I can see.
I don't
Nothing
know
is
if my
visible.
mom is checking.
Yeah,
I'm
your
not sure.
your obtuse spelling is wrong. OBTUSE.
A-B.
OBTUSE. Obtuse.
Okay, ma'am, I will erase and write
Ah,
one more time. Ma'am,
okay.
now it's my 130 degrees now.
Show me. Put it down. You okay. Now where is the another ray? In another ray, put it down. Yes. Where is your angle? Yes, yes, it's 130 degree. And show me whether you have put it on the vertex.
Yeah.
Hold it up. Remove the protector from your notebook first.
Yeah.
Now put again. Now put again. Yes. Put it on the vertex. It is not exactly on vertex. No. Not on vertex. Vertex कहाँ है आपका समृद्धि? Where is the vertex?
Ma'am, here.
Yeah, here not this circle is not the vertex. This point is the vertex, joining point. I guess take your this center line of your protector on the vertex. हाँ, on the vertex पे रखो and base line उसके ऊपर छुपा दो. Yes. Now see where that your another ray is going.
120 degree.
Yes, got it.
And see my.
Got it now. Yes. Anushka, you were asking something. Let me see what there was there, ma'am. If we draw only one slanting line, so can we find degree? Then it's a 0 degree. Got it? There.
Okay,
There.
ma'am.
And see my.
If you have only one ray, then it's a 0 degree.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Lakshya. Yes, Lakshya. It's coming, but it's coming blurred. Have you exactly measured that your angle is also 130 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is
And
my
then
angle.
the
You can draw any two angles.
Ma'am, acute. Ma'am, down one it is acute.
Yes, Vedi, why there is a question mark? You want to ask something?
Ma'am,
I need to pin Twisha. Yes.
No, ma'am, the in chat the Trisha is
Okay, okay.
chatting something.
So what you have written, Twisha? It's in? It's not coming clearly what you have numbering. You have written 70 degree or it. It's a that this is not clear to me. But your angles
can
are
you
right.
please repeat the thing?
You have written first the name of the angle, that is obtuse angle. Then you have measured it 120 degree. Then what is there? You have written 70 or something that is not visible to me.
I'm not written 70 anywhere. 120 degree obtuse, nothing more.
Okay, so now you children understood how to measure the angles. Is there any doubt in measuring the
No,
angles?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now we come how to draw the angles. Now everyone, when you draw the angle, suppose if I say draw 60 degree angle. My question is draw 60 degree angle. How you will draw? So first of all, take scale in your hand, everyone. Good, very good if you know. So follow the steps. Vedi, I will talk to you once I clear this, okay? I want everyone to turn on their cameras, please. Otherwise, I will not able to know which child is learning or not. Take scale in your hand and draw a line of any measurement. Any measurement means कितने भी सेंटीमीटर की एक line draw करो. Draw a line of any measurement. That is draw a ray of any measurement, right? Draw a ray of any measurement and name it as any name, OB, OC, DA, EF, any name you can give. If I give O, A, and this is a ray. One center, one end point, and next is the arrow.
Ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am, my doubt is this, and if we do this, then
Yeah.
how we can find the degree with the angle?
So you keep the protector on this and see where ray is another ray you don't have. So this is your 0 degree.
Okay,
Got
ma'am.
it? I explain, you know. Your ray is going on the
Yeah.
0 only. You don't have any other degree. So it is 0 degree angle. Got it?
Yes, ma'am, I'm written.
Yeah. Have you all done this?
Yes,
Till here,
ma'am.
everyone draw the ray. Right. Name it as any name. You can give them D, E, F, G, 1, 2. You can give the names in numbering also. You can give them the names in alphabets also.
Ma'am, any means
Any name, your choice.
Ma'am, not that 0 to 1,
Any length, any measurement length, whether it is 2 centimeter, 3, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, right? After drawing a ray, what you do is you take your protractor in your hand, and put the center on the vertex. Put the center of the protractor on the vertex of your ray, and your ray, and see the 0 is on the inner scale because you have drawn a ray straight. So now you see the inner scale, and from inner scale see the 60 degree, where it is, and mark a point there, After marking a point, take your ruler, take your scale, and join from the vertex that point and extend it. You can extend it. Okay. After extending it, name it as B or something, OAB, and mark an arrow here and mark an angle sign here, right at 60 degree. And 60 degree angle, the name of this angle is, which type of angle is this if it is a 60 degree?
acute.
Acute angle.
Ma'am, acute.
Acute angle.
Got it? How to draw the
Acute
angle?
angle. Ma'am, can you please repeat?
First, draw a ray. Arna, you have done till here. You have drawn the ray of any measurement.
Yes, ma'am.
After drawing a ray, keep the center of your protractor on this vertex.
Okay, ma'am.
After putting the center on this vertex, now see where is your ray and see where is the 0. 0 is at the inner scale or on the outer scale.
Inner scale.
Arna, answer me. I'm waiting for your answer. It's at the inner scale. Inner scale. From inner scale, move till 60 degree and mark a point there.
Okay, ma'am.
From inner scale, move till the 60 degree and mark a point there, and take the scale and draw a line, this ray, and you can extend this ray also. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Adhan Dalal, you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you one video based on this, how they are drawing it. Very good, Dhyan. Please see this, because today's worksheet is based on drawing the angles. It can be any measurement they will give you. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to mute myself. I will not explain.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to listen it properly.
I can't see your.
Mute yourself first. Rudra, now please remind me whether you're not able to see or you're able to see. Just check whether it is visible now.
You need 3 tools, a pencil, a protractor, and a
Yes,
straight
ma'am.
You also need to know
Ma'am,
what the
your
size of this
mic.
angle will be. In this case, we're going to draw a 55-degree angle. You need to think about what that angle will look like. It is smaller than a 90-degree angle, and that gives me a pretty good idea of the fact that it will be an acute angle. The first thing you need to do is draw a vertex. Then you line up your straight edge and make a line segment that
Along with this video, you also draw this, what it is showing in the video, you also draw this in your notebooks. Don't sit simply, start drawing, see the video, watch it and properly.
that connects to that vertex. Then you can move your straight edge away, and now you put your protractor right on your vertex so that it's lined up with the baseline and is pointing to 0. 0 is on the outside numbers of this protractor, so I'll use those to count up to 55. On my protractor at 55, I'm going to draw a little dot. Then I'll move my protractor away, and I will line up my straight edge with that dot and connect it right to my vertex. Now I'll draw a line from my dot to the vertex, move my straight edge away, draw my directional arrow, and I've made a 55-degree angle. Let's try the same process with an obtuse angle. In this case,
55 angle is done by everyone.
No, yes, ma'am.
Why? Why no? You have to be little fast. See, he has, this video is showing that they has taken the ray in another direction. But 55, if your ray is this way, if you are taking the ray direction this way and your vertex is here, from now, if your direction of the ray is here, and my board is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
If your ray direction is towards the left side, so you see this, where is the 0? If 0 is at the outer scale, so move from the outer scale only. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 55. So your this angle mouth will be this way. That is why they have shown this way, because they have taken the ray direction towards the left side, not from the right side. But both are same. If you draw from the right side also, then also your answer will come same. Your degree angle will be same. It is your choice how you are going to draw, whether from left side or right side. But try to observe the scales properly. If you are drawing from the right side, see where is the 0. 0 is at the inner scale, so draw it from the inner scale. If you are drawing from the left side, see where is the 0. 0 is at the outer scale, so draw it from the outer scale. Got it? Both are acute angles and 55-degree angles. If this is 55-degree angle, if I draw this side also, it will be also 55 degree. Got it? Now I'm going to on the video again for one more angle.
we're going to make an angle that is 142 degrees. First, I'm going to straighten out my straight edge here and move it down. Again, the first thing we do is we start with a vertex. From the vertex, we line up our straight edge. And this time, I'll make the line segment go from the vertex out to the right, and we'll use the other side of our protractor. Move that out of the way. Line up the protractor so the vertex is on that cross. And now we need to move the protractor so that our baseline lines up with 0, right on it. Just like that. Now with our pencil, we're going to find 142. Now on the right side, I want to use the inside numbers because I want to start out at 0. So over here, I find 140, and I go up just 2 degrees from there and make a dot at 142. Now I move my protractor out of the way, get my ruler, line it up with the dot and the vertex, and I draw another straight line. And I have a 142 degree angle. The last thing I want to do is draw my directional arrow to show which angle I've measured to be 142 degrees. Now it's your turn to try some.
So now you understood how to draw the angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem, any difficulty in drawing the angles?
No, ma'am.
Very good. And now ask any doubt if you have, and I tell you to do. Adhere, you understood?
I am drawing 60 degree, 40 degree, 10 degree, and 100 degree,
Yes.
and 55 degree.
Very good. So, children, in your textbook, page number 21, in your textbook, page number 21, go around with your tester. You all have made the tester. I have received, many of you have sent me the tester also. So, go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens, like the letter L. If it is the making letter L, which degree angle we will make?
Right angle or 90 degree?
Right angle, 90-degree angle. So take your angle tester, and around you, if you take the angle, wait a minute, I will also show you. Wait second. See, I have also shown you, in my last class, that I have also prepared the angle tester. Now take this angle tester around you anywhere in your house, and like for example, right now I have board with me. Yes, then Dhyan.
Well, on which page?
121. Oh, sorry, 21 only. Page number 21. See, you can, if you see my board is also having one vertex here. If I keep here and I want to measure the angle of this, so which degree angle it is?
Ma'am, right angle.
Right angle.
90 degree.
So I will draw the picture of the board here in your textbook, page number 21. There is a box given, pink box, and here it is given that take your angle tester at your home around you and measure the right angles and draw the pictures here, because they have already they have done that window, and one I have shown you the board. So you draw the picture of the board here and take the book also. If you measure the angle of this book also with the tester, you can observe that this is also 90 degree. So you can make the image of book also here. So this way you can go around and draw some pictures which objects are making 90 degree angles. Am I clear? Yes or no? Then
right inside the board.
Ma'am, can I make my 90 degree computer?
Yes. Computer also, laptop also. Okay. And when you go,
Me till at my tester, so I can do afterwards.
yeah, not now. After this is your homework. In your textbook, page number 21, look at the angles in the picture and fill the table. This also you will do, and we will discuss the answers in our next class. Redan, your mic is on you. You want to ask something from me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please ask.
Ma'am, if the answer is 90-degree angle, so it will be obtuse angle, acute angle, or right angle?
Right angle.
Yes, sir.
Right angle is 90 degree. Obtuse angle is always greater than 90 degree. Acute angle is always less than 90 degree. Okay. So do this also, the table which is given in your textbook, that see the angles in scissor, which angle they are making. It's right angle, more than right angle, or less than right angle. It's already done for you. One tick is already done for you. Please look into your textbook and answer me. For scissor, which angle it is?
Ma'am, acute angle. Acute angle.
But here the option is, it is less than right angle, more
Less
than
right angle.
less than right angle. I want there are 30 students, and 30 students should answer me. Not only one. Make that. What are you doing in the class? I don't understand. And at last, when I send the worksheet, you say, ma'am, sorry, I have not understood. Then what I will do. Please pay attention here. In the next picture, a man is making an angle here in the arm. So which type
Right
of angle
angle.
it is? Which type
Right
of angle
angle.
it is? Right
Less
angle.
than. Less than.
No,
Right.
it is right angle. Observe it properly. Next is kite also. Then kite also they're making some
Ma'am,
angle.
it is really right angle.
Okay?
Ma'am, it's right angle.
Ma'am, it is really a right angle. It's no.
It is?
Right angle.
You
Ma'am,
also
it's
please.
less than a right angle.
Okay, you do one thing, you observe this and see this with your actual by yourself and then do it, and then we'll discuss the answers tomorrow. Got it? And whatever we have done in the class today, along with the worksheet which I will send you, you have to send your classwork also to me, because I want to see how many of you are doing the classwork also. Whatever we have done in the class, are you all listening me, Rudra Master? Listening me? You have done your classwork, show it to me. Show me. I'm going to pin you, please show me your classwork.
Ma'am, where do we have to send the classwork?
It is not visible, only the blank sheet is visible to me. Can you move it little back? Yes, 142 degree. Okay. Have you measured it with the protractor properly? Yes. What you were asking?
And where do we have to send the classwork?
Where I will attach my worksheet. No, there you have to send me the classwork. And please make that. I request you. From last year also I requested. Wait, Anushka. Last year also I requested you. You are only writing the answers. I want the questions also in the notebook. If you are not doing in the worksheet, you are doing in the notebook. You please write the question and answer both. Same to everyone. It goes to everyone. If you are only writing please write your question and answer both. Karna, what are you doing behind the screen? Please turn on your camera.
My net is
Ahil, Khevna, any difficulty from today's class to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Let me pin you. Anushka, your angles are not visible to me. Which degree angle it is, Anushka? How much degree? Your mic is not working. Okay, children. Thank you for today's class.